Okay, last day of August. It's the 31st. Got the double row Nerf bars all notched up, fabbed up, cut, fit. We put the 5/8 round stock, basically bushing inside the inside every joint where we had to cut it and rotate everything. So there's good solid round stock in here. When Rich TIG welds that together, it all becomes one piece. We got one here, same on the other side. And actually the bottom piece for that side was a little too long. So I ended up having to cut it. I'll show you on this side. Right underneath this piece here, cut it, right? And then shorten it up, put a piece of round stock in there. And I actually welded the top half of it and then tacked the tube on, because I wanted it all tacked together so when Rich gets here, he can just do as much of it as he can right on the cart, then take it off and weld it up solid. There's no tacking this, tacking that, welding something, and then me trying to line things up. It's already done, right? So they look pretty good. And nice thing was, one by one, took the pod. This bit was already tacked here, right, that I showed you in the other video. So those fit right into the pod. And then we fit all this stuff to the contour of the inside of the pod, made sure everything was flat, straight, and square, and they look good. So next is, we wanted them, you know, fitting the inside contour of that glass as tight as we could, because we're putting the Zeus pads on next, with the Zeus springs and all that stuff. So we don't want to have to bend the Zeus pad out. I'm exaggerating, out from the tube and up. We wanted to just be able to weld it flush with the outside of the tube and that it be, you know, in the right spot. So other than that, we threw the pipe on. Like I said, we called John, put the air box on just to see how much glass we were going to have to carve out of this thing. Thank goodness he kind of gave me the okay to cut up his air box, his $600 air box, and rework it, you know, to make it work with this body work. Not a heck of a lot we're going to be able to do with this pipe. But we might be able to share a secret with you. We might be able to two-piece the side pod. So you would take one piece off, then you'd take the other piece off, and that way it wouldn't have to slide straight out, you know, because of that wheel well we got here. It's really got to kind of come straight off. And if this is here and the pod's this wide, it's going to have a great big U cut in it just to go around the pipe. If we separate it and make it two-piece, gives us a little bit more artistic freedom. So we don't have enough time. We don't have the time I'd like to have, but we're gonna be kicking it out here as often and long as we can, and keep plugging away. So that's it for episode number 7. Lucky number 7. 4 takes to get number 7. Godspeed. God bless you all. We're praying for you. Hang in there. It'll get better.